Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video is the answer to quiz number 9. Which parameter has the greatest influence on weld line strength in injection molding? Okay, A, holding pressure, B, injection speed, C, mold temperature, D, cooling time. The correct answer is C, and I'll explain to you why. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's go over this. So the correct answer is C. Explanation: weld lines form when two melt fronts meet. Their strength depends on how well the polymer chains can diffuse and entangle. Okay? Higher melt temperature keeps the melt fronts hot longer, improving molecular bonding. Injection speed helps, but temperature dominates weld line integrity. Okay? This is possible causes that can happen. So, stock temperature too low, mold temperature non-uniform or too low, mold fill too fast or too slow, excessive mold lubricant. So if you spray your molds down too much with lubricant, that can actually help do it. Scratched or dirty mold surface, fill speed and or pack time too low, inaccurate venting, and then improper gate location and design. So think about that. I couldn't get on the board, but I was going to go over a little bit more with you guys as well. So I do have the 3 M's. So the 3 M's are always machine, material, and mold. Okay, that's how I always do it. These are possible scenarios of what you can do to try to fix it. So on the machine side, you can do increase injection rate, adjust profile faster, increase injection pressure, increase pack and hold pressure, increase pack and hold time, increase barrel temperature, increase shot size, increase screw back pressure, increase nozzle orifice size. Those are all on the machine side. So on the material side, what you'd look at is check the material for contamination, check material for moisture, check for uneven material temperature, or use a higher melt index if possible. Okay, that is for the material. Now the last one is for the mold. Increase mold temperature, clean vents, add or enlarge. Okay, increase gate size or runner size, introduce cold slug pockets, or change gate location. So think about that when you're thinking of the 3 M's. Okay guys, I hope this all helps you. I will have all this information for you guys in the comment section in the bottom here. If you guys don't mind, please like, share, and subscribe. It does help the channel. It helps everyone find the channel. I hope this was informative to you on weld lines. So until the next video, which will be next Tuesday, which will be quiz number 10, I hope you guys have a great weekend and a blessed weekend. Please like, share, and subscribe. It does help the channel. Until next time, peace.